Hello, hello, everybody. Hello, hello. How is everybody doing today on this beautiful Tuesday? I'm excited to be back with you here. I don't see. Okay. I'm waiting for you in a chat to say hello back. Don't be rude. So yeah, we're looking at US 30 or YM, how you call it in the futures, or Dow Jones, whatever you want to call it. I actually see here an opportunity to enter. I wasn't sure if I actually have it today because I thought the price will just want to sit around. I did not trade today yet, so this will be my first trades for today. Hello, hello, hello. Where is everybody watching from? Is anybody from Romania here? Hello, King Dark's Psychology. Okay, so we're looking at the US 30. I'm waiting a little bit to take this buy. I don't know why. I'm waiting for another retest. You can see the EMA 50. It kind of acts as support for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I think I want to wait for another retest. Yes. So I did mark my areas here. Okay, you can see I have an area here where the price rejected, and this area here where the price did also reject, but it break through. So I want another rejection here to get in. I kind of missed this entry. It's halfway through. It happened exactly at 12, you can see. Canada, okay, South Africa, Romania, Mitru. That's a very popular name in Romania. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. It's either another rejection on a EMA 50 or for this area to see if it acted as a support. You know, it break through. It was a resistance before. It break through, but I want to see if it acted as a support. Let me see what's going on. Ciao. Ciao, ciao. India. Let's see what happened on 5 minutes. Yeah, it actually break with a big green candle. So I think the buyer knows what they want to do. You know what? I'll go in. I'll just go in. What do you guys think? Should I? Yeah, I'm just gonna go in. Late, but I'll go in. Okay. Let's watch it how I told you on 15 seconds. Is anybody new here? Does everybody know who I am? Or you want me to introduce myself again? Because I can do that every day. I can do that every day. So if I was to take it at 2, this will be my take profit. So I took it later. I'll put here the profit. And I'll put the stop loss below EMA because it should act as a support, right? King Dark Psychology, he is new. So okay, I am Adelina. I've been trading for about 4 years now. My main instrument is US 30. I just like it. That's where my home is. But I can look in on any other instruments. You just let me know. I can tell you what I think about it. I mainly use demand, supply, trend. So basic things. I like it to keep it simple because I do use some indicators. I'm not gonna lie, on my other platform, but I figured it out that when you keep it simple, actually it works better. I used to have all those charts with all those indicators that will confuse me more, you know. But I think simple works better, at least for me right now. So I keep it simple. You can see my chart is clean and simple. I don't like to complicate things, not even in my personal life either. I don't trade crypto like that. I don't. I told you my to go is US 30, but I can look into crypto. I start trading, when I first start trading, I start with crypto, but it didn't work out for me. But I couldn't call what I was doing then as trading because it was just, it wasn't trading. I can say that. It wasn't trading. It was just me fooling around. But yeah, that's how I start trading. It was that, I remember it was the Dogecoin. And I did got in and I made some money, some good money. And I was like, oh God, this is so simple. It's so simple. So, and then I remember Elon went and talked about the coin on Comedy Center or something like that, and the coin just dropped. I still made some money, but I lost, like, I don't remember how it was. Okay. So you want me to explain my supply and demand? Okay, so let me go back to 1 minute, please. Who does? GB Auto. So when I draw this line here, this was a supply, right? So supply is usually where seller steps in and push the price down. And you can see here, the seller stepped in and pushed the price down. And how I draw it, I usually go from the higher of the less bullish candle to where a rejection was. In this case, right? I see the rejection here. And that's how I draw it. And here, it was my demand zone. It got a little bit up. Let me see. It moved here. It was like here. You can see the price here touched it before. It was a resistance. But it touched it here, and then it just went up. The buyer came in twice. So this what tells me it's a strong demand zone. So what I'm expecting when buyers came back here, this is probably gonna react as a support. So when the price come here, is gonna react as a support, this area right here. But this was a demand. You can see buyers, when it touched here, it just went up. Buyer kick in. So it means the buyers were sitting here right? And if the price come back here, I still expect there are still buyers around this area. And I usually add a alarm on here. On Project X, you cannot add an alarm, but I usually add alarms to see when the price is where I want it to be. It makes a sound. It lets me know, so I don't sit in front of the chart all the time. And the supply zone basically is where the seller. I said that. Did I say that? I think I said that. Yeah. So yes, I draw it from the lowest point till where a small rejection happened. This supply could go a little up, you see, till here. Yes. There. So when the price is in this area, we have to watch it. You understood? In simple terms, demand zone is where the buyers step in, and you could see an aggressive move on an up. And the supply is where the seller, so you will see a price push down. That's how but some people actually call it, depends. They actually call it support and resistance. I call support and resistance now this area, because you see now when the price will touch this area here, if it comes back down, I think it's gonna react as a resistance, because I don't have here like a bunch, like the price did not just went up like aggressively. You know what I mean? I hope you understand. It looks like we got in a small consolidation zone here. So I did learn a lesson. We probably did today. I'm gonna learn a new lesson. I mean, the lesson that everybody knows, but it's gonna remind me that I have to follow my rules. Don't just take trades in the middle. But I did it anyway. You know, there is a TikTok. We did it anyway. Funny. It's weird when I think I say a joke here and I laugh, because for me it's funny. But nobody laughs because I'm alone in the room and I'm talking with a camera. You guys want me to look at some other? Okay, let's see. You trade the same way? Yeah, simple. I know that the other coaches, they do trade volume profile. I think they do. I have to get into that, but I'm not there yet. I'm not comfortable. I'm doing some little research for myself, because supposedly that changed the whole game, but I'm not there yet. I'm still at the baby steps. I'm still here. Simple. Okay, just a few people are watching. Guys, please like this live. Please share it with your friends, with your cousins, with your anybody. Just share it so we can be more here. How can I join the giveaway? I think today Tony give you guys a password in his, I think in his trading area. I think from 9:30 to 10 he gave you guys a password. So if you hear that password, you go on Discord, and they should have a special area there where you put that password, and you automatically get into the giveaway. Tomorrow though, I will give you guys the password, so stay tuned for tomorrow, because I'm gonna give you the password and more details about it. Okay, here we go, the price break through this. Okay, Tiger Blah. Blah. Did I say correct? Tiger Blah. It looks, yes, because I heard just good things about this, but I really don't know nothing about it. Yeah, I mean, I know a little bit, but I need more. It takes time. Even though I'm 4 years in, I'm still learning every day. Trust me. Every day. Nobody laugh with me because I'm alone in here. I laugh with you. Good stuff. Thank you, Tom. Let's laugh together. A good laugh is always good. It makes your day better. Yep. It's kind of slow. Juvenile Tiger Blah. That's funny. That is funny. Let's see. What are you guys trading? You trading right now? You did trade today? You took any trades? What happened today? All right now we're basically sitting around and see what's gonna happen with this trade that I'm in. That's the boring part. Waiting. Oh, you know what? Let me see, because you see I completely forgot. Let me see in 1 hour if I have anything around my stop loss. Yep. You see? No, my take profit. Sorry, my take profit. Okay, so in 1 hour, this area, you see exactly where my trade is. It acting before as a demand. You see the price touch here, and it went back up here too, but the seller back in, got back in, and continuing the trend. So actually the area that I'm trading down right now, it's a little tricky. It's a little tricky, but we take the risk. It's a little tricky. Yeah. Let's watch it. Maybe we're gonna close it. We're still in a profit. I'm in a profit a little bit. Keep in mind, I just took 2 micro. I'm gonna start small, at least for this week. Next week we're gonna get more adventurous. Okay, here we go. I have here to tell you how you're gonna get. So you have to scan the QR code that's in the right, on the corner right, and do I tell them the code? Okay, I'll tell you the code. The code is Mitrut Viorel. Ah, no, scan the QR. No, that's not the code. Sorry. Oh my God, I'm all over. Scan the QR code, go to Trade Secret channel in Discord, and enter the password. The password is contracts. That's the password. Followed by your email and the word future to enter. Mitruț Viorel. Easy peasy. For how long do you trade, Viorel? I mean, if you start with Doge, that should be around 2021, 2022. It looks like it wants to get. The market wants to go up. Up. Let's go. Let's finish with this trade, and we're gonna look at other instruments, see what's going on. Okay. It makes a little nice trend. Let me see if it breaks this here. No. It's gonna form a higher high. And also my take profit, that's 47,100, which is a psychological level. Come on. Who else suck with their chart? I always talk with my chart. I feel like it listens to me if I talk. Who else sucks with the chart? Let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay, Michael Leo, 1953. In order to scan the QR code, in order to get into the giveaway, scan the QR code in the right corner, go to the Trade Secrets channel on Discord and enter the password. The password today was given by our coach Tony, but I'll do an exception and I'll give it to you again. It's contracts, followed by your email and the word future to enter. Okay, tomorrow winners will be announced tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll give the password, so stay tuned tomorrow for my. Okay, I was told blowing on the candles help. How can I blow on the candles? Oh, that's blowing on the candle. That should work for a sale, but now I want to buy. I want to make the candle bigger and up. Maybe melt some more wax or something. Okay. Let's see how the price will react on an EMA. And if it doesn't react how I want it, so I'll just close the trade. Let me see, 1 minute. Let's wait a little bit. What do you guys think? Are you watching me? Are you watching this trade? You know, one of my main reasons why I start doing this live streaming and working with Hola Prime is also I do love trading. That's my main reason. I love trading. And I love trading, and I do think that this skill, it's a real strong skill. But I wanted to interact more with the traders, so I want to meet more traders. I want to see how other traders are thinking. So please, guys, tell me in the chat. You're also a trader, right? Here we go. It did give me a rejection of the EMA 50, so beautiful. Now I'm watching this area right here because it's a small supply on a 15, and I don't know, it's still on 15 second, but 15 chart is so bold. I do enter on 1 minute, but I do like to watch it on a 15 second. How it develop. More action, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. So I was saying, yes, I do love trading. And trading is, once you got that skill, it's a really powerful skill. If I'm there 100%, not sure, but definitely it makes you a better person. I really stayed in a trading after all the downs, because I've been down, because it really made me a better person. Like, you can be a trader if you are if you have a big ego. You can be a trader. You can be a trader if you are not patient. You can be a trader if you're not disciplined. It's going. You can't be a trader if you have a lot of demons, you know, in your life. It's all over. Like you need to. And yeah, the trader really helped me with that. Okay, guys, I'm getting out. You see, oh no. Not yet. Trading is addictive, but it's, yeah, it's addictive. But you know what made it addictive? It's like and it shouldn't be addictive. You should be able to stay without trading for months. But what actually makes it addicted is the losses. It's not the winning that makes it addictive. It's the losses, which is not a good thing. Yeah. Tom, trading will point out all your internal flows for sure. It's up to the trader to handle them accordingly. Yes. And the first step is to recognize it. Mine was ego. I have a big ego. It's so hard for me to admit it when I'm wrong. Whoa. That's why many times when I take a trade and it's a losing trade, I have to close my computer and just leave the house, because I feel that urge to get back in. Because it's like, no, I cannot be wrong. Let me just do it again. Yeah. And it's funny because I saw that even when I was a child. Like I analyzed myself and I realized that pattern even in my childhood. So you guys should analyze yourself too if you're struggling and you don't understand why. Yes. Trading is a lonely journey, which is why this channel is so great. It's a lonely journey, but that's why we join the live stream, so we're not lonely. Right? And we talk in a chat. How did you decide on doing trading the way you do? Don't ask me. I've been in many stages. Like I try many strategy, how I told you before, indicators. I still use some indicators, but I used a lot at some point. I find like, oh, that's gonna help me. And I guess it was one day, it was a decision. Let me just make this simple and see what's gonna come out of it, you know? It's a decision that clicks one day. Okay, today, and this is what I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna stop changing strategies. Because we tend to do that a lot. Like if we, okay guys, okay, I'm done with this. Let's take the profit and go home. It almost touched it, but something is better than nothing, right? Here we are. Now we're waiting to see if the price wants to come back down to this area. Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, trading will point out, okay, GB Auto, I mean the satisfaction of winning trades and the challenge, sometimes a little bit of adrenaline it brings. Oh yeah, 100%. But the satisfaction is amplified by the losses. Because if you were to win all the time, the satisfaction will not be there anymore. Just, you know, we don't appreciate good if the bad is not there. And here we go, it was to go. You see? It was about to go, I think, I don't know. Let me look at 1 hour again to mark some things here. Let me mark this. Wait, this up here. Oh, actually this matches my area here. You see? I did not do my homework too good this morning. I did not trade this morning, that's why. So I definitely want to look for this. Maybe tomorrow. When this happened? November 12th. So probably not tomorrow. But I definitely want to look at this area. Let me make it a different color so I know it's something. Let me make it white. Okay. This candles right here in this area means is where the seller accumulates, right? So there are a lot of sellers here. A lot of sellers there. They are there. And here I have here we go. Another area here. If you guys want me to zoom in to see better, let me know. So you understand how I marked. This is 1 hour. Una hora. So yeah, we're watching this areas, plural, and see what's popping there. Everyone in the show, yes. Smash the like button, share the stream with your traders mates, and hit subscribe so you'll never miss the next setup. Which is probably soon, probably. Let's see. For another sale, you see this white line right here? You can see when here the price touched it, it rejected it. So if I want to look for another buy, I'm looking around here, this area, or how I said before, EMA. Let's see. And yes, of course, the price did touch my initial take profit. You see it? I closed just a little earlier, but it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Okay, till we wait, and how we gonna get over this boring vibe? Ask me questions. Tell me something about yourself. I don't know. What are your plans for Thanksgiving? It's coming soon. You guys got the turkey? Yes, everybody's quiet. Everybody's quiet. Do you guys usually trade with music or silence? Keep the chat rolling, folks. Come on. How would you concentrate better with music? I do like music. I do listen to music when I trade solo. Music, of course. Okay, so Danny, I was trading US 30 YM, and this, you were late. This was my trade. I did close it early, like right here though. I closed it at this candle, this red candle. Very little early. And I did enter late. The move start at 12. So I did enter, I think, around 12 and 2 minutes. Okay, this is Project X. This platform is Project X. I also use, that everybody knows that platform, TradingView. I use TradingView. We can, I don't think I can show the TradingView here, so that's why I'm showing the Project X. But you can see it has the TradingView in. So if you have an account with Hola Prime, that's where you're going to be trading. I like the way you explain what you are doing. Also, all the guys here at Hola Prime TV, trading is much more pleasant with you all. Thank you. Thank you. We all here trade different. Everybody has his own strategy and his own way of trading, so that makes it nice. You just have to find someone that you are more compatible with, or watch it anyway, because you can learn a lot of things. I did learn a lot of things. The time I was trading with the guys, I did learn a lot of things. It's a project, Danny, it's Project X. That's the platform, Project X. Yeah, yes. So if you have the account, the future account with Hola Prime, I think that's the platform that you're gonna have the credit. Oh, how you say that? Presidential. Oh, I don't know how to say that. Presidentials. Sorry. Right. Did I say it correctly? Okay. And also, next, after we finish here, not earlier, we have the Magnificent 7. You have the link right here in the chat. It's been pinned. So when we finish here, don't forget to click the link in order to go for the Magnificent 7. How can you join? Simply go on holaprime.com, and I think you have all the information there. It is legit. 100% is legit. They also have Forex accounts. I'm not sure if And also we have an offer right now for Black Friday. So go there and see and check it out. Check it out. Nice crypto as well. I think you have some cryptos in the futures area. You have Bitcoin 100% because I was looking yesterday, and if somebody else can help me, what if you have any other crypto here in this here? Okay, so this is the Bitcoin I looked yesterday at. Bitcoin. You see, I did mark this yesterday, and today it touches the area that I marked yesterday, and it went up. Here it did form a trend line, which also, let's wait for this candle. It might broke this trend line, so higher lows, higher highs. So Bitcoin looks okay. If I was to trade it, I would wait for a confirmation here to break this trend and probably go on a long. When new areas are formed, I usually like to adjust. So this is my new area right here. Okay, anybody watches anything else and you see something interesting so I can check it out? Maybe we can get a trade off of it. Please let me know in the chat. I definitely today felt more comfortable than yesterday. So I guess with time, I'm going to be more and more comfortable. So you will see the real Adelina. Let's see, yes. Yes. Yes, kind of moved similar with the US 30 today. Yeah, very similar. Very, very similar. Small candles. Just bubbling around this area now. So possibly entrance. Let's break here. Possibly entrance, break this, retest, break this, and EMA, retest. Retest. In a chat, guys, I'm very curious, how did you find this stream? How did you heard about this stream? You guys from the let's see, you guys got in from the previous section with the other coaches, or how did you find us? You know, sometimes I think, if I don't know if everybody wants to say something in a chat, I think in order for you to write in a chat, you have to subscribe. So make sure you subscribe. If you want to talk to me and tell me something, make sure to subscribe and then jump in the chat. I think, if I'm not wrong, I think you actually have to subscribe to be in the chat. I see many live trading videos and this one pop out. Where, on YouTube it pop out, or on other YouTube? Okay, so welcome to the community, Denny Banchon. Is this a Spanish name, Banchon? It sounds. So I guess for today that was it. What comes to trades, that was the opportunity. Again, to explain my strategy, right? I say that yesterday. So in order for me, I have plain rules. In order for me to get into a trade, the price has to be above or below the EMA. On 1 minute, I'm talking now. The price have to break an area that I mark, usually a demand, a supply. It has to break it with one full candle, a green candle or a red candle, depends if I go short or long. And then I have to see a little retest, which is this, right? This is a retest, a little retest, the red candle and the big green candle. And then I get in on the next candle. I do set my stop loss below the area, and I go to for one. This would be here. That's all. Simple, easy. I can show you another one. For example, today, something that follows my rule exactly will be this. So I will be, no, actually, no, it will not be this. It will not. This is a V shape. V shape usually is when drop fast and go back fast too. And it's very rare when you have a retest at this, for example, where this started, right? I see here a retest, but I didn't have an area that to broke, you know what I mean? So let me see. Okay, this here, if I was early, this here will be an entry too. You see a little retest here on this area and just go in. With a tsu, which is similar, I mean, yeah. Will be an example of how I trade. But I'll be very careful at this, you know. Okay, I have 3 more minutes. Johnny boy, I'm down 1% on my account today, but I'm already up 2% in general. But I'm not behaving good on this market, especially today and yesterday, even though yesterday was profit, but I'm trading recklessly. I enter without a plan, full of FOMO, and I found out. That's normal. It is normal. Just work a little bit on yourself. Ask yourself why. Why you rushed? Like, why? You always have to have a why. And the why, it doesn't have to, it cannot be, oh, because I saw this, but actually I didn't see this on the market. I did not share my charts. So yeah, ask yourself why. Where are you rushing? Because it doesn't go, if you rush, we don't go nowhere. Patience. Patience. And how I said before, you cannot be a trader if you don't have patience. Okay guys, so that's it for today with me. I have a few more seconds left. Thank you for watching. Thank you for talking with me in a chat. And yes, don't forget to press the link to go to see the Magnificent 7 with our 2 magnificent coaches, Daryl and Tony. Just Tony with the magnificent coach, just Tony. Oh, plus little Daryl. So yeah. I'm still on. Oh.
Hola Prime, trade with transparency.